Hello Beach Avenue in Ocean Parkway, Ocean Grove, New Jersey, aka Neptune City,
Mm-hmm.
south of Asbury Park, north of Bradley Beach, west of the Atlantic Ocean, east of the Mississippi, and the Delaware,
Just to get all the bases handled.
for those playing at home.
Yes.
Across the street is a beautiful magnolia bush, which has little bunny rabbits running around at the bottom.
Yay.
I have to take our word for it.
Jews.
This ain't no National Geographic shit.
Okay.
And we're like diamond and silk right now. And
Dude, what an awful reference. Oh, goodness. We could do
you're
better
just like,
than that.
yeah, uh-huh, yeah, uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, doesn't mean I'm not paying
This is where this is
attention.
going.
Diamond
It's,
silk, my
it's
black
because
eyes.
you're not fully present.
I can drink silk. I could even wear a diamond, but nah. We're not those. We're
Well, one
too-
of us is dead anyway.
I don't think. Well, that's right. Anyway,
So,
we're two old queens enjoying. Yes, my reference. He doesn't like it.
I've come to accept it. I just don't say it in public, and here we are, sort of in public.
Oh yeah, that's it.
I'm honored, butterfly.
Yes, hanging out with the beaches. The beach.
Yes, the ocean was rough today, my friends.
Got my ass kicked. I
Yes.
got my ass kicked.
It was warm-ish, not too chilly, not too cold, but it was warm.
Not like
Took
Goldilocks.
about 2 minutes to get acclimated to it,
Mm.
but the ocean was killer waves, really upside down. And a strong current that kept pulling you to the rocks, which kept the lifeguards quite busy.
Mm-hmm.
And the sirens were on the rocks singing songs
And laughing at us the entire
and
time.
laughing behind our backs.
Look at those humans. You think they can play with us?
He speaks the truth, Kimo-san. So we usually leave on Sundays. Or
We usually leave on Mondays to go home,
Mondays, yes.
but it's Monday and we're here
We
and
came down on a Sunday. We're departing on Wednesday
to beat the traffic hard.
and to beat the whole human traffic.
Yes, the beach was nice and tranquil,
Not too crowded.
not too crowded, actually not too hot on the sand, which I have issues with.
We get him and his sand issues, buddy. But it was all right. The town is not as busy as it is on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Which we have no problem with.
It takes a bit. See, he has a problem with it. I'm like dealing with the whole mindset of like, what's going on? Where are all the people?
Well, we
And
wanted-
I think what's left behind are mainly the townies and also people trying to save a few bucks by renting during the week rather than the weekend.
And also folks like us who just want to be devoid of people presence, if we can have it that way.
Yes,
Now, don't get me wrong, I don't want to be in a ghost town either.
it's a holy ghost town actually.
It actually is, yes. We're looking right now at the
Is it
gazebo.
Episcopalian? Is that what they are?
It's a Christian town, no
It's a
question
Christian,
about
yes.
it.
Christian
Definitely also,
cross and lowercase t's everywhere.
yeah, definitely a dry town, but then again, it's a lot of people.
We're cool with that. Yeah.
We want to drink, we go to Asbury Park, whatever.
We're not so much drinkers.
Oh my goodness, my Corona, every once in a while, but
Every once in a while.
yeah, I can
Not
count,
now,
yeah,
but-
not at this moment.
Not at this moment. Perhaps at another one.
Yep.
Perhaps tonight.
What?
Perhaps maybe. Perhaps no. We're still trying to figure out what to go and eat. Where to go and eat. And seeing that it's 4:45 and we are, as Bill put it, old queens. It's like we're thinking about getting dinner before 6 o'clock, which is like, what the hell? But here we are. I'm not particularly hungry, but I will eat. Surprise, surprise.
And it's just one half of another for me.
So he wants eggs, and
Well, more like an omelet, but that's tomorrow.
it's always, the egg is always tomorrow.
What came first, the omelet or the egg? Inquiring mind wants to know.
That is the inquiry mind.
Well, I actually had a realization during the course of our short time so far. I mean, every year we come down here and we suffer food poisoning at the hands of pizza. If you understand what I'm referring to, great. If not, try to keep it.
I was there and I barely understand it. But
Right, I barely understand what I'm talking about. But then again, I just don't understand them. I am, as what I've discovered to be, I am the lovely weird.
we had some magical pizza last time.
Very
And it
magical.
was magical.
Very magical.
It was existential. It was magical. It was here,
Enjoyable.
there, everywhere.
It was enjoyable.
Tomorrow never knows, if you know what I mean.
Right. In fact, even filling.
And the pizza was good too.
Yeah, that's it. But we've come to the conclusion that for us, our time here is not about planning anything except getting down here and leaving when it's time, but that's not for a while.
Not for a while now.
But getting down
We were
here,
trying to be here now. I had like the thing I kept saying over and over. I'm sure I'm guilty of not being here now, but it's doing my best.
right. But that's something we're gonna go have it dinner.
At some point, maybe at 4:59.
Maybe even 501. Who knows? Who cares? But the nice thing is looking out into the ocean and seeing nothing is nice. What's even nicer is that it doesn't require me looking through my phone to see the ocean because I can just stare that way. Even
Off camera.
off camera.
Take our word for it.
I'd stare that way, but there are many houses in the
This isn't CGI.
But the bottom line is that I can stare out past the gazebo, past the boardwalk, and review the nothingness of the ocean. But there's more than something going on than the nothingness that I described.
Read more than. I think the power of the ocean, the beauty of the ocean.
Hello.
That's about it. Hello.
You have to go through here.
Oh, okay, that's,
Don't worry about it.
I thought she said over here. Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Sure.
Are you on TV?
We're
just
playing with the camera.
Sorry.
No worries.
Love the kicks, by the way.
Thank you, they're custom made.
They do
Wow.
look nice.
Thank you.
I gotta do that for myself now. Like, I am a slave to the fashion.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
So, reading that clothes horse.
That's yeah, because nay.
No, no.
Yeah. No.
So, here we are, killing time on camera. Nobody's
Yeah.
ever done that before. Is this
Not
a podcast? I don't
not
think so.
ever, no.
Is it a call for help? More than likely.
Not really.
On whose behalf? Who knows? But here I am, doing things that I've always done. I'll be with this guy at my side. His name is Bill Vila, it is? Yeah.
Last time I checked my license plate,
And the last time he checked his license plate,
it was 1989 when I had a car.
That's it.
Yes.
And so that doesn't exist anymore.
No, but the last time I checked my driver's license, that could be
But you're the
more.
one who said driver's plate.
I did say plate, okay? Get over yourself.
Should have a plate and everything.
Yeah, good luck with that. But yes, my name is Bill, aka the 555, aka the lovely weird. And I love that in expression. I just think it's so neat. Talk about yourself, John.
What would you like me to say?
Anything. If you say anything, I'll say something.
Well, I'm not going to do that because you're expecting me to do that.
I am.
I'm that cantankerous, contrary,
Yes.
caustic kind of guy.
Yes. Spelled it out very eloquently.
It works for me to a certain point. The game has changed, ladies and Okay.
And you're quite adaptable.
I'd like to think I was more adaptable then than I am now. But there were forces in my life that no longer exist and don't tell me this is my misstep here again. And
No, you did not. They did not make the right choice.
I am confused.
I am appreciative. I could also be wrong.
So far, so good.
2 for 2. So we go for the trifecta.
There's Natasha Leon.
Hey Natasha.
Share.
What's up, girl?
Standing right now.
What was that?
Vic and Ron Tega.
Ew. Oh, why'd you do that, Killjoy?
They just popped into my head.
Yeah.
And here comes Jane and Maurice Goodall checking into the Hampton arms and legs.
Mm.
So far, they have a very nice view of the ensemble known as Western culture. It's a peculiar thing to say, and it's a peculiar thing to hear. So just leave it at that for now. Until then,
Until we meet again.
and who knows when that will ever be.
That could be in an hour, a
This
day,
could
a
be
week.
something like Cloverfield, where giant monsters attack and instance popping up throughout the video.
Oh, this could be a one-off, like Anita Ward's Ring My Bell.
Yeah, it could be that. I never thought of that.
You
I
never
wonder
thought
why.
that.
Well, I never think, you know.
I
That's what
I
gets me
yield-
into trouble.
yield to your
No,
devices
no.
on that one.
Ask people from my past, does John think? They're like, yeah, he's so good at it. He's instinctual. That works sometimes.
Mhm.
He's not like us. He looks like us. He talks like us. But he is not us.
And that makes him an interesting guy.
That does make him an interesting guy. I don't think the guy there on the second floor is wearing any pants.
Well, he was.
I think the pants are hanging in the window.
No, I think he's hanging his bathing suit, but he's
No,
not.
he's naked. He's confusing me hard.
Mhm. Yeah, 'cause it's all about that up in here.
That's what it is, man. That's what it is.
Yeah, we have the ocean at our fingertips, at our doorstep, and cruising is in your minds. In your mind.
Oh, it's not mine. That's what it's. Dude, I walk down the street with you and you're like, he's checking you out. And I'm like, what? And finally I noticed somebody checking me out. And you're like, oh, dude, you gotta ruin it. And you're like, ah, dude.
As you can see, we have plenty to think about. We're out here.
And that's the thing. You have plenty to think about, and I don't think.
In the nothingness that is the ocean, these are the things that occupy our brain.
These are Canadian migrants taking over, taking jobs
Well,
away.
they are from Canada because they're built to have a Ontario license.
And that vehicle has been trying to parallel park for the past minute.
Wow, which is sad because it's not like it's parking plus. But I wouldn't leave it.
No, not you.
No,
That's
no.
not your thing.
That's not my jam, yeah.
Word. You can do it.
Slowly I
You
move.
just think you're in
You are
Toronto.
too far out of the cut. You have to cut it tighter, much tighter.
You know what? Just keep, she had that spot right there. It was perfect.
I know, but maybe it wasn't. So I don't know anymore about it. But one thing, this is going to take a while. He might be spending the rest of his podcast, if you want to call it that, this video.
The play-by-play.
This,
It's the Olympics of parallel parking.
yeah, no, in this case, Brian's not even
Girl, this, she's gonna be done by like 8:30.
Yeah,
And then we'll say,
tomorrow
hey, can you
morning.
give us a ride to the restaurant?
Not even close, girl. We need to get a little closer. Oh, much closer.
I don't stare.
I'm not staring, I'm just observing
Yeah.
with intent. That's better, with better. Ooh, no, not close enough. Not close enough. It's a good thing I'm not driving my bus down this block, although that would be really hard to do considering how
You can
narrow
work
the
it out,
block
you can
is.
work it out, you can work it out. Turn.
All right, here the turn. Okay, stop.
My eyes have seen the glory. Come on, Ontario, you can do it. Ooh, you're still like
What's
a foot
ironic-
away from the curve.
What's really ironic is it's really an easy logistical process
It's not like she's got this giant boat.
to parallel park a vehicle. I mean, I think it is, but then again, I drive buses, so I'm used to parking 45-foot buses in parking spots.
I stopped driving in about 1986. It wasn't a good fit for me. I realized I was a bad driver. Nothing happened, but something could have happened. So I decided I'm out.
Whereas I've been driving since '85, love it.
See,
Making
that's the
living on it.
balance. See, he got on the driving tip. I got off. And it worked out so far.
Yes, it
It's
has.
a mixed marriage.
Yes.
He drives me crazy. I drive him loco.
Yeah, pretty much. Wouldn't have it any other way.
I would. There's always room for improvement. Onwards and upwards. It's always changing.
Mm-hmm.
It's generative. It's like that, you know. Which we saw the documentary the other day.
It was good.
It was very good. Yes, that's the second time I saw it. It was not the same film. The first time. It was really peculiar, but entertaining nonetheless. So, I don't know what else to say. What is there to say? How long have I been gabbing? How long has he been gabbing? If you add it up and divide it by 2, is that the average of the gab?
I wouldn't know. I constantly don't keep track of my gabbing.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm asking.
But I think we've been at this for a while.
All of our lives, actually.
Really, truly. And I'm okay with that.
I'm fine too. It doesn't matter to me.
So shall we,
It's a very pretty girl with a surfboard that looked like that.
a teal colored surfboard?
No, it said aqua blue.
Well, I said teal. Aqua blue is actually bluer. Teal is more green. Well, I could wear that. I got teal on my shirt right now. And this thing is teal. It could be considered green, but I like it. It's a calming
I don't
effect.
see color.
Yes. Stephen Colbert would be happy you said those words out loud.
All right. Well, that seems to be about it.
Yeah.
I've run its course. I don't know about him.
My course constantly runs. And it's also 5 o'clock. So I think I'm going to say ta.
As you can
for
tell by
now.
the tolling of the bell, it's 5 o'clock, mate.
And we're going to figure ourselves out for dinner.
For dinner, lunch, whatever. We've got to
Food,
figure something out.
substance.
We're on vacation.
Exactly. There is no such thing as time vacation.
Things must be plotted in advance. Podcast video recordings must end now.
Bye.
Ah.